Hello and welcome to the Skin Retreat. My name is Angela Powell. I'm a professional skin therapist and a dermatological skincare expert. I'm joined today with Sophie Oakley. Sophie is my business account manager from Dermalogica. So today we're going to talk about microneedling.
Yes, my favourite treatment.
So microneedling is the most asked about treatment globally. So many clients ask me about microneedling and its effects, its benefits. So Sophie, can you tell me what is microneedling?
Yeah, I'd love to. This is one of my, if not my favourite treatment to have and to give as a therapist as well. I love it. So microneedling is a minimally invasive skin treatment. And what it does is it creates micro injuries or micro channels within your skin. And ultimately what we're forcing the skin to do is repair itself, is heal. That's what it does naturally. That's what it's designed to do when we get an injury, is heal. So we're just pushing our skin to do that, so that then what happens is we see new collagen formed, new elastin, new blood vessels, everything comes new to the surface of the skin. So the skin looks more youthful, it's got more regeneration behind it. It's just a service that gives everything you possibly could want. And I love it because it gives it long term. Those results keep coming and last, which is incredible. We're making a functional change to the skin and it's changing permanently, which is really exciting.
And ideally, it's best to have this treatment about every 4 weeks, would you say?
Yeah, 4 to 6 weeks, I would say. And ultimately, you want to have between 3 and 6 of them to really give long-term results and to get the best results. However, I would say you'd see a difference after one. Do you agree, Angela?
Absolutely.
You can see a difference,
yes.
But to maintain those results, I think a course is better. And then having a treatment, once you've completed your course, having a treatment then to top it up every kind of 3-6 months, just to give it a boost again, just to keep that collagen and all those great things forming afterwards is going to be ideal.
So I forgot what I was going to say.
What happens is what we were going to say.
Yes,
in a microneedling treatment. We want to break down, because there's a lot of fear, isn't there? I know you've said this to me.
So many people ask, what is microneedling? What is my skin going to look like after? So we're just going to break it all down. So I want to take that fear away from everybody, and I want to show you the little device that we use with Dermalogica. So this is the Dermalogica pen, and when I switch it on, you can just hear the buzzing noise. Okay, so it's as gentle as that. That's how gentle the treatment is. We've got 2 different cartridges that we can use. We've got a 24-pin cartridge, and also there's a 9-pin, which is soon to be replaced with a 14-pin cartridge. So these cartridges make little incisions in the skin. They actually go over each section of the skin about 1,300 times per second. So the maximum we can go as professional skin therapists is 0.5 millimeters over the skin. Some areas like the forehead, nose and upper lip might feel a little bit more intense because it's a little bit more bony there. So we tend to reduce the depth to about a 0.3 possibly, and increase the speed so it glides over just a little bit faster.
But again, everything with Dermalogica, Angela can completely customise this service depending on your comfort, depending on what she's trying to treat on the skin, and those preferences can come from the cartridge, from the depth, from the speed, from even how the treatment is, the steps within the treatment. So we will always double cleanse the skin, don't we? We make sure the skin is super clean, no grease or anything on the skin. We need it to be fresh and ready.
The skin is then analysed, so we can pick up exactly what your skin type, skin concerns, skin conditions are. And then we're going to do the resurfacing module. So within the resurfacing module, a skin peel is included, but if you're not suitable for a skin peel, then I can supercharge the exfoliation stage.
Yeah, nice. And it's really important to resurface before we microneedle. We want to get rid of that buildup of dead skin so that our needles can really get down into that deeper part of the epidermis, dermis, to drive what we want to drive, that collagen production. So then the microneedling itself will take place. It's really thorough. It's very precise. Dermalogica have created a technique that Angela will follow that makes sure every part of your skin has been covered, so that those needles have worked over every part of our face to create those injuries.
And I think it's really important to add that each cartridge is totally sealed. It's in a sterile container, and it's one cartridge per client per treatment. So you have a new cartridge for every single treatment.
Please always make sure you have a new cartridge used in your treatments. So the pass takes place. It can be customized, like I said, to your comfort. You know, microneedling isn't a treatment you're going to fall asleep in. It's not a hands-on touch relaxating treatment, is it? You know, it's not. But what it is results driven. So it's comfortable and it drives results. So if you're somebody that really wants to get long-term results, microneedling is the way forward for you. We then finish the treatment with something called Pro Restore. So this is our professional serum that Angela will use during the treatment to amplify results, to help bring downtime on the skin, decrease the downtime. And within the treatment, Angela actually gives you one of these serums to take home, don't you?
Yes.
So it's something that you use them for 3 to 5 days post-treatment to continue driving these incredible ingredients into those injuries so that the skin is responding and healing and doing everything that we need it to do after the service.
So first question that clients tend to ask if they've come from microneedling for the very first time, is it going to hurt?
Yeah.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
We like to use the term spicy. It's not going to be painful and really hurting you as such, but you will feel it.
Yeah, you're not going to fall asleep during it.
Some clients do.
Do they?
Yes. I think it's the humming noise.
Yeah,
of
the buzzing.
pen.
Yeah, the noise is nice, to be fair. And everyone's pain threshold is so different. Some people will find it more uncomfortable. And even actually, if you come in for those course of treatments, some months feel different to other months, and it can come down to hormones and stress and lots of other factors that create the sensation on the skin as well. So, but it isn't, the results outweigh the feeling of the treatment, don't they?
Yes.
100%.
And people wouldn't book a course of treatments
and keep coming back for it if
Yeah.
it was that bad. So who is it best suited for, microneedling? Everyone.
Everyone. So microneedling promotes the collagen and elastin in the skin. So if you feel that your skin is aging, but I mean, aging these days can be from the age of 25, 30 onwards, it is ideal for everybody.
Yeah, I mean, aging, pigmentation, acne, scarring, rosacea even, it can really help to work on the skin's resilience, so it improves a non-reactive rosacea. I've seen incredible results on many scarring, on so many skin types. So it really is, there is, a treatment for everybody with microneedling. And then quite often I think the concern and the fear behind microneedling is how your skin's going to look post-treatment. We all have busy lifestyles, don't we? We've got to leave this treatment room and get on with our day. Can we do that after microneedling?
Absolutely. So within my microneedling treatment, I do use the LED light as well. So we just mentioned about the Pro Restore. I also, we use a calming face mask. It's the light energy mask that we use, or the conductive mask.
Nice.
One of the gel-based masks on the skin, and then the LED light on top. So this will really help to calm the skin down after treatment. Although we do want the skin to react from the treatment as well. You might have a little bit of blood spotting here and there, but that's a good thing. Yeah. It's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
So your skin does go on a little bit of a journey for the next few days afterwards. You will have some samples provided, and of course a Pro Restore to take home with you, just to help support your skin during the next few days. You might discover a little bit of tightness on the skin.
Yeah, I almost feel and describe it as, it's like you've been in the sun all day post microneedling, where you've just got that little bit, like you say, tight, a little bit of red to the skin, maybe a bit of warmth as well, some people have, but it certainly doesn't stop you from continuing with your day. And Pro Restore works so quickly at bringing down that downtime. That's why we use it within the treatment, and why Angela provides it for you to use at home post-treatment. So please don't let that be a fear of yours, because we can absolutely manage that downtime with products and electrical modalities. So how do we book a microneedling treatment, Angela? How do we get on this bed and book for a microneedling?
Okay, so my website, which is theskinretreat.co.uk, you can book through the booking system, the online booking system, or send me a text or give me a call and we can get you booked in.
Perfect. Remember to book a consultation first so that Angela can make sure you're suitable for the treatment, and I'm sure you will be, and you will absolutely love the results.
Thank you. Thanks for listening. Bye.
Bye.